Hey guys, I'm showing you this Fanwar finger ball exerciser. It's a grip ball strength, squeeze stress ball for hands, finger grip strengthening exercise for hand. So it comes in a nice pack and it also give one accessory. I will explain you this later. This is the main exercise grip ball and you can just put it in your finger and then press. It's a high quality material and you can feel like the grip power training ball, because when you are stressed with the keyboard driving or anything like that, it help you give the strength back and give exercise and massage to your fingers. This is a durable, highly resilient and all age groups, provide hand basic grips. Pretty nice. This is the accessory that comes with it. It's nice, like a gift. It have this nail cutter, bottle opener, the grinder, and yep, the address to contact with the keychain. So this is pretty nice and good design. Like if you want your fingers to have more strength, just use this and enjoy doing the exercise while doing any other work.